A heart transplant is the only treatment for the 23+ million heart failure patients worldwide. Donor scarcity causes long waiting lists on which only 76% of patients survive a single year. To address this issue, the Holland Hybrid Heart project aims to develop a fully biocompatible artificial heart replacement. Saxion's Smart Mechatronics and Robotics Group is developing a Mockloop. This system simulates the human blood circulation by replicating the physiological resistance and compliance of the human body. It can control the pneumatics of an artificial heart prototype and measure physiological parameters like flow rates and pressures. Our Mockloop provides universal performance metrics to compare the heart prototypes. It allows quicker development cycles of both the heart and the controller and unlocks long-duration tests. This work facilitates the Holland Hybrid Heart researchers, accelerating the development of an alternative treatment for heart failure.